Now here's a kitty that loves baby food. Look at him. He's eating it like he's human. Putting his paw in there. Licking the paw.
This is some artificial stuff right here.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Get it. Go on, get it. Get that baby food. Get it. What's he eating? Ham and ham gravy. Then you got this one over here. He's just about done. Little Chihuahua. But this one's innovative with it. He's actually putting his paw in the jar and licking it off of his paw. Yeah.
This is, you've got to get this on
Let's hear it for Freddy.
Yay!
Yay, Freddy. Now let's move the jar.
His wife, stop!
Uh-oh, we have a hater. He's already finished his, and I think he wants some of the cat's. I don't think that's gonna fly. Yep. Freddy was like, back it up, back it up.
Before you get scratched. Freddy's eating like he's been hungry for days.
Mhm.
Although
they all have food. Uh-oh. I think he's getting too close.
Yeah. He's just about done with the finishing touches.
Look, he's cleaning his paw real good. And then he's back in the jar. Look, this one's watching him like a hawk. He's like, the second you think you don't want anymore, I'm gonna get it. Freddy's like, yeah, you touch my food, you gonna get it all right.
I just like, get away from the food.
Look, he's waiting. Hold on, look at his stance. He's waiting. Oh, now he likes the phone. Oh, he wants the lids that are on the floor. Go ahead, get the lids. You get the lids.
Get the lids. Alright, you're missing it.
No, you don't want the lids. So I'll put the lids right there in the middle. Look at community eating situation.
Oh, as you got the lead.
He's like, okay, yeah, and this one's my lid. My food. He's like, that Chihuahua, I can't do that. Like, at least turn the jar around so he can get to it better. There you go. Oh, sorry. There we go.
Alright, I can do that now.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the stars of our show. We got Freddy. Take a bow, Freddy. Take a bow. And we got Ozzy, take a bow. Take a bow.
Yeah, but look, it's not over. Come